Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Peaceful Days Scrapbooking Workshop, and this one has the optional technique of using the embossing folders. So the embossing folders that comes with this Peaceful Garden Suite is called Peaceful Greenery, and it's just this lovely frame, and we use it on two of the pages in this workshop. It's really fun. So this it comes with a workshop guide, which includes the cutting guide and an assembly guide. But if you come to my house, you can get it pre-cut, so it's ready to just start assembling as soon as you get here. Now it features papers from the Peaceful Garden paper pack. So it's not going to have all of these, but it features about half of them. And then here's the other side, so pretty. Love all these blues. And then it puts a couple of crumb cake ones in there just so you have some browns. And then we have the sticker sheet, which you can see that I used almost every single sticker. And so there are a couple left. And there's actually one more greenery, which is actually bluery, that I accidentally took off the sheet and I didn't use it. So I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, so this is the first page of the layout. And I don't know if you can see, maybe you can't see on these strips, these green strips, which are Lost Lagoon, more than likely. There's a tiny chance they're cloud cover, but I think they're too green for cloud cover, so I think they're Lost Lagoon. Anyway, those ones we used in the embossing folder by putting one strip here and one strip here and running it through 3 times because we've got quite a few of those little strips. But it really adds a fun bit of texture to this. And if you wanted your layout to be a little messier, you could always run some sandpaper over the top of that and scruff it up a little bit and make a little whiteness. The point of this layout was really cool. These pages do not match. You've got a Lost Lagoon with a misty moonlight, but there are some differences. You use the misty moonlight circles on this page, and you use the Lost Lagoon layouts on this page. And so it brings them together, and then all these lines directing you through. It's a very interesting layout. It's got room for your photos, your journaling spots, and add some greenery. Some of these are stickers, and some of these are die cuts, but it's all nice and fun. So that is layout number 1. Layout number 2, I just love. You can get this awesome streak look just by cutting one sheet of paper in half the diagonal way. Now I do that using a T-square, a cutting mat, and an X-Acto knife. But maybe there's other ways if you've got a larger trimmer. But anyway, this is an awesome page. It's just got 2 triangles, a pretty base page. So this isn't Secret Seat. This is an exclusive paper that comes in your pack, and it has the tiniest bit of texture to it, like, you know, water droplets that dried, kind of. And then we've got some amount to square all your photos into one spot, and then adding in some stickers and some die cuts to finish it off. So it's so pretty. And layout number 3, we're using that the embossing folder again. So this one, you basically cut a paper diagonally, and you can either score them together or score them separately. Not score, emboss them separately so you can. And this is another one where this is tone on tone, so nice and elegant, just a simple background. But if you scuff some of that off with a sanding block, then it becomes a white embellishment that's out there, and that's very cool as well. So this is just a bunch of layering. I like it when you center all your photos on one block. And then this one has a matching style, but not exactly matching like the other page did. And then we just add in some embellishments, some stickers, and some die cuts into different places. Put your strips on the side and it's done. So nice and easy, very cute layouts. So I hope you'll join me in doing the Peaceful Days Scrapbooking Workshop in October. So thank you very much for watching. Happy crafting.